Welcome to today's guide where we'll walk through how to prevent accepting calls on the Telegram app for PC after the new update. If you've been receiving calls on your computer and prefer to keep them restricted to your phone, this process will help you turn that off quickly and easily. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is open the Telegram app on your PC. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the upper left corner. You'll see the familiar 3 horizontal lines, often called the menu button. Go ahead and click on it. From the menu that slides open, locate and select Settings. This is where all of your customization options for Telegram are stored, from privacy controls to the way notifications and sounds behave inside the app. Inside the settings area, you'll see different sections. For our purpose today, we need to head into the section called Speakers and Animations. This is where Telegram has placed the new control for managing calls on your device. Scroll through this section carefully until you find the option labeled Accept Calls on this device. By default, it may be turned on, which is why you've been getting calls directly on your computer. To stop that from happening, simply switch the option off. Once disabled, Telegram will no longer allow calls to be accepted on your PC. Instead, all incoming calls will be directed to your other devices like your phone or tablet, depending on where you still have calls enabled. This is particularly helpful if you prefer to keep your computer clutter-free, or if you use your PC strictly for work and don't want interruptions. By toggling off this simple setting, you now have full control over how Telegram calls reach you and on which devices. It's a quick but powerful way to customize your experience and make sure the app works exactly the way you want it. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to prevent accepting calls on the Telegram app for PC.